Asensemo yomurai w'ensi ya Uganda nigo ageokeire okobwaterana kwae n'ensi ya Kenya elinde kwanekya ngangutinye bali obonchireri gati y'echinsi echibere banyarabo nigo banikire muna echume yera chikobage korosigwa ni kampuni ya Devik nigera bege gutumika asoborosia bwereri yera beke gokinia obonchireri gati y'echinsi echo ibere.
The man is going to invest $500 million here. And he has already helped us with the cement. He has got a very good track record. What he says, does. I'm very happy with him. More gurus. Are there more reverends there? Indian reverends. He's going to bring more reverends, Indian reverends. And I want to thank His Excellency Ruto for encouraging him and for being together with us. We are fully aligned with His Excellency Ruto on the issue of the Pan-African vision. Now, Garimoshi, the standard gauge railway. That one I want to congratulate him moving from Naivasha to the border now. And we're already working here. So we are going to go up to Kampala, from Kampala to Bwera, Kasese, then to Rwanda, then South Sudan. So the future, what is happening here shows you that the future is very bright. Now you have heard the implications of this project. Uganda is now squandering $500 million per year. Export and the other metros from which we make mabati and make mitayimbwa. Mitayimbwa, Wakenya wanaita mitayimbwa echuma. East Africa spends $5 billion on steel products, steel imports. You have heard that Kenya spends $800 million. That's what the president told you. So this is really squandering of Africa's resources. That's why you see the GDP is stunted, 2.8 trillion. That's more or less like the GDP of one smaller country like you. If you see about that.